I do different things to people. I kick, I punch, I give uppercuts, I nod, I slap, I lift people up and smash them on the ground. There are no limitations to what I can do to people like you. You better be guided. See Mr. Kpana, I have plans for this 10 million naira. I have very big plans for it.
Yes, you are a typical poor man. You have plans for an imaginary money. You have already started making plans on how you will spend money that is not your own. Money that you have not seen with your eyes or touched with your hand. I hail you, the king of plans, master planner. You are drawing plans, chief architect. See the only plan you should be drawing now is the one that leads you straight to your father's house, so that you will go and lie down and sleep. That's if your father has a house safe.
Is it me you are giving all these insults? Me? You will hear from me later. But for now, I am not leaving this place until you give me my 10 million naira. If that is not possible, then just give me the 200,000 naira I won earlier before you asked me that nonsense Bible question.
Rules are rules, young man. You had the chance to walk away with 200,000 naira earlier, but you rejected it because you wanted to answer the Bible question and win 10 million naira.
You are a scammer. That question has no answer. Just imagine, who or what led to Samson's death in the Bible? A. The collapsing temple. B. The loss of his hair. C. The Philistine enemies. D. Delilah. Who does that? You people intentionally set this type of question so that nobody will win the money.
Young man, that is a very serious accusation. Akpundu, Akpundu, Akpundu. How many times did I call you? You better choose your words wisely.
Better choose your words wisely. Yes, the same way you choose the words of the question wisely so that I will fail it. See you better give me my money now or you kill me. If not, I will transform your face with different categories of beating. For your information, I do different things to people. I kick, I punch, I give uppercuts, I nod, I slap, I lift people up and smash them on the ground. There are no limitations to what I can do to people like you. You better be guided.
Akpundu, please, before this world war that is about to happen here begins, can you quietly take off my red suit and give it back to me? The day you came to borrow it, you did not tell me that we wear it to fight. Please take it off and give it back to me before the fight starts. Security, please, I have a situation here. One poor man called Akpundu is threatening to beat me up on stage here.
Okay, what's the situation like? Does he have a machine gun?
No.
Does he have a grenade?
No.
So what does he have?
He has nothing. Just a big mouth that will not stay quiet.
Okay, Barati the bad guy will handle this.
So, who is the person giving us problem here?
The guy putting on a red suit.
Did I just wake up from a dream? Or is this something that happened already and I just remembered it today in my sleep? That guy that refused to give me my money. Kpana, yes, Kpana, that's his name. I knew his face was familiar. He looked exactly like the eye of the gods, except that he appeared very fair. The eye of the gods cannot just steal my money and expect me to do nothing about it. I have been keeping my own part of the deal by sending him yam and eggs in installments. I will still take some tubers of yam to him today, and very soon I will reach the expected amount according to our deal. As for my money, My 10 million naira. He will vomit it today oh.
Oh God, which kind of bad market is this one now? Nobody wants to consult the gods anymore. Even Akpundu has not brought any yam or eggs for the gods in a long time now. The gods are starving oh.
Bana,
Where did you hear that name?
that's your name right? You scammer.
My name is not Kpana. I am the eye of the gods. I have no name.
No problem. All I care about now is my 10 million naira that is with you. As you can see, I am doing my part by bringing these tubers of yam to you. You have no idea what I passed through just to get these tubers of yam. So I want to talk about how I will receive my money. Should I come with a big bag to pack the money in cash, or you will pay by bank transfer?
Which money? What is all this you are talking about? Did you see me in your dream?
Which dream? I saw you clearly. I participated in a Millionaire show and was supposed to win 10 million naira, but you refused to give me my money.
The person you saw in your dream that you are saying is me. Did you try to force the person to give you your money?
Well, I told him I will beat him up if he doesn't give me my money.
Did the violence produce the money for you?
No.
Good. I think it is a sign from the gods. The first day you came here, you asked the gods to help you pass your JAMB exam and also to bless your talent so that you can become wealthy. It is a sign that your wealth will come through me, the eye of the gods. And also, if you try to use force with me, you will not see your money, just like in the dream.
The gods have to hurry up. Tell them to hurry up because I am running out of patience. I have big plans for that money.
Be patient with the gods and keep obeying the instructions. Not only will you pass your JAMB exam, you will also become very wealthy. For now, keep bringing the yam and eggs.
Okay, no problem. I'll take my leave now.
No problem. I will hold a Zoom meeting with the gods on my laptop tonight and tell them all that you have said.
Wait. No just go like that now. Let me press that subscribe button and the bell wey dey in front so that you go follow for the first people wey go dey see our future videos.